Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatma Mohammed. I read in class prep. I invite Manha for Tilawat. Please preposition. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Now I invite Mustafa for the work. Please cut your hand. Rabbi Zidni Ilma Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Oh my God, I offer you all my thoughts, words, action, joy, and suffering of this day. Everything I do today must be done for the love of Allah. Good manners. Please excuse me. Thank you. Welcome.